Man, we're just edging the new year. I want to give a quick overview and give a 1 year look ahead crypto. And if you're not familiar with previous 1 year look aheads, which I don't really talk about because I don't really want to brag. It's not really my thing. We go back to December of last year. Analysis of Bitcoin chart suggests end of bear market. What do you know? We got that pump in 2020, or sorry, dump in 2020, bump of 2019, that run up, okay, that run down. What do you know? Market Cypher showing perfect turnaround in this area. Oh, my bad. Let me turn the music down a little bit. For the sensitive ears. See, when you have the music playing, you filter out the unnecessary. Look at that. Wow. How could this be right? If, you know, YouTube was telling you that the market's going to zero, it's the end of Bitcoin. I wonder how many times Bitcoin has died. Bitcoin obituaries. Dude, this site has been around forever. Bitcoin has died 474 times. Amazing. Crypto dead in America, April. Wow, I mean, it's been a while. So funny. Anyways, this right here proves that it is predictable and that you can learn how to do it through the course on Psycho Trading Network. All right, looking at this 6 month, 2024 is going to be a great year. Look at that. July of 2020, we had the buy signal. We had it here too, but I don't know. All right, this is beautiful. If you know all the metrics of Market Cypher, we have the waves are continuing. We have RSI up. Still trying to get over this sickness, so my brain's a little messed up. The move on the VWAP is going up. You see here too. I wanted to move over to ES, S&P 500. You can see that every time that we've had a green dot, we've sort of went up, except there. But you can see that even on major refresh of the price action, we had a huge one here. So breaking all-time high was sort of predicted back in April. Just a matter of holding it out. But overall, it's going up. And stocks and crypto and everything, dude, they're not going to be a one day, you're in, you're out. It's not like that. It's a hold, and you got to hold longer than everyone else. That type of thing. Well, you diversify. So, stock market's going up. Bitcoin is going up. Let's look at the monthly directly on Bitcoin. Nice buy signal here. We are moving up in a sense of like maybe in this zone here. See what I'm saying? Looks the same down here. We're looking at the Market Cypher metric. You get the idea. We already had this pop. We had a major pop there. You know, I think this is perfectly leading in. You know, we could get a little sideways and then move up. I think this is perfectly leading in. And if you really want to know the metric when the bull market starts, or is going to start is when we get in. Sorry about the dog. Give me a second. Whenever we get near the previous all-time high, it means that we're entering the breakout zone. And that's the confirmed bull market, is breaking the all-time high. I know it's kind of a duh thing, but you want to know, we're getting close. I'm just saying. If you're not in, it's time to buy shit. Moving over to ICP. Wow. You can clearly see it here. Hasn't gotten in that area yet where we know this is, I mean, but it's probably obvious. It's the only price action it's ever had. Nails, same shit. 40. Oh my god. 40's almost all-time high again. I really thought that thing would run out. BNB jumped. Mobile is priming. Luna's, I mean, it jumped, but it's not doing much right now. Oh yeah, let's check the dollar. Let's look at the monthly on the dollar. Ooh, we got a blood diamond. It's generally the sign of down, but here it didn't really go anywhere. Sort of went up. I wouldn't count on that though, because that feature of market cipher died a long time ago. We're gonna look at the weekly here. We have the push down. We have, wow, insane weakness here, but it doesn't really matter because it still formed over and went up at that point. We have a lot of selling, so maybe we'll see sort of a move like that. I don't know. It's just kind of hard to predict at the moment. Interesting. And let's move over to Ethereum. It's the same thing. Weekly is topping on Ethereum, but I mean, really, you got to plot technical analysis with Bitcoin. When it comes to Ethereum, it's not going to follow. It's not going to follow things. I mean, you could see how wonky that is. Like, there's all sorts of crap signals in that, and this is the weekly. That's why you got to follow Bitcoin when you're doing technicals. And then when you're in like little coins, you can tell, like Jesus coin, for example. The weekly does not look happy. Got all those weak hands in there. Oh no, we could see a move up. I know when the market moves, we'll see it go up. That's for sure. So when we finally get the gas back on Bitcoin, it will go up. A lot of people are, or one of the guys in the Telegram were saying that crypto normally pumps end of year and a little bit into January, and then it goes down at the end of January. And I haven't really gained that metric in my head yet, but I could see that. We definitely have the halving not too far away. Why is it so hard to find a countdown? Isn't that funny how that works? 2020 had the Bitcoin halving, and then that's the last bull run. It's even in cycles. We are right on the edge of that. This is not the actual halving though. We're close though. Very close. Let's check NiceHash. They're gonna have an accurate one because they actually mine it. 127 days? May. Yep. This is what we're expecting. This could change by a few days or so. This is generally what starts the bull market. The reward drops in half and then the market runs. Looking at daily on Bitcoin, we've not much going on. Haven't been held up. Well, I started on BingX copy trading. If you're interested in that, I have a BingX video with a referral link. Maybe I'll post it in the bottom of this. Usually it makes the videos not trend if I post links in them. So I try not to post the links because if I do, I'll get like 3 views on the video. It never goes any higher. So search the BingX video and look how surprisingly suppressed it is. Jesus Coin price action looks like it's going down. Market Cipher is telling us it is on the hourly. 8 hour, nice sell off. But I mean, I wouldn't just go in short it right now, but nice little double top. Yeah. You may see something. I know that if we look at the scale of things, I mean, you had this happen here, and what's going to happen here? You know, if the community is there and people are buying, there's still money in it. If you catch my drift, there's still money in it. So it's a matter of what the market maker moves it. If they get listed on an exchange, it'd be great. It will probably pump until a little bit after the listing on the exchange, depending on where we go. If we go to Binance, it's gonna pump a little bit, and then it's gonna short because they're gonna short the shit out of it, and that's what they do. It looks like we're forming over into a buy on the daily, which could reset and go up again. I know we had a buy on the 12 hour, and it didn't freaking. It did a little bit and then turn around. Yeah, this price action's too weird to really determine if it's going down. I'm still bought in. I'm gonna hold it until the bull market. I'm not really worried about it selling and dumping because there's more to it than just a meme. So I'm holding on to it. You do what you want, but I see opportunity in that. I see it as like a Pepe or a Shiba type of event on the next bull run, for sure. That's why I'm holding it. It's worth me losing my bag in that chance that that bag turns into, and I'm already up like 15x, on the chance that that bag turns into what Shiba and Pepe do. Visa Swap, if they had a better community, they would be pumping way more. They don't. Alright guys, that is the end. Happy New Year. I will see you guys next week. Take care.